This problem here is giving us a word problem, some kind of situation, and we need to calculate some answer in context of the problem. Let's go ahead and read it and highlight some important words here. Daisy is selling cucumbers from her back garden. Her garden is 18 square feet in total, and she can grow one cucumber every 72 square inches. All right, those are important. If she can successfully grow cucumbers in every square foot of the garden and sell them for 75 cents each, how much money will she make? The first thing you might notice is that we have two different area units being used here, square feet and square inches. We have to be very careful to make sure that we convert these properly. So we know we have 18 square feet in total. I'm going to try to convert that to square inches so we can figure out how many cucumbers she can grow. Well, I'm going to write this down. 18 square feet, which really just means 18 feet times feet. Remember that square feet is just feet squared, which means multiplied by itself, feet times feet. All right, I want to figure out how many square inches that is. To do that, I'm going to multiply this by the conversion. I'm going to put feet on the bottom, and I want to put inches on top. Now we know there are 12 inches in a foot, so I'm going to write that there. Now when I multiply to get the conversion, I can actually cross out the feet up here and the feet down here, since I am dividing by one and multiplying by the other. Now my units aren't quite right yet, but I'm going to complete this exercise just to see where we're at. If you multiply 18 times 12, I'm not going to show you everything here, but you get 216, and our units so far are feet times inches. Not quite what we want. I'm going to go ahead and move that 216 feet times inches over to the left so we have some more room to work. Again, I want to convert and get rid of another foot. So feet on the bottom again. That's just 1 foot down there. And then again, 12 inches on top. The feet cancel out. The 1 can stay there because when you divide by 1, you still end up with the same number. And now you can see I have 2 inch units, which is great because inches times inches is going to give me the square inches right here that I'm looking for. All right, let's go ahead and finish this calculation. 216 times 12 gives us a total of 2,592 inches squared. All right, so that is part of our answer. One last thing, or actually 2 more things I need to do. One of those is just to figure out how many cucumbers she can grow. Well, it says here she can grow 1 cucumber every 72 inches, right? So I actually need to divide this total square inches by 72. Now, in the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and do the division for you. The answer here becomes 36, which means that I know she can grow 36 cucumbers, which gets us very, very close to the answer. I know this one's a doozy. So I have 36 cucumbers, and remember at the very beginning I told you in the story here, she can sell them each for 75 cents. So the last step is just to multiply 36 times 0.75, or 75 cents. When you do that, you get your final answer, which is $27.